Alright guys, check out this XREXS clock. Great outdoor clock if you want a clock outside. We're going to use it in our home gym so that we have a clock out there in our garage and it'll be nice. It actually keeps track of the temperature, the day, and the time, which is very nice. It has a calendar built in. And it also has a timer that can count up and count down, so great if you're going to use it for exercising. And then it has a battery memory time, so it displays your battery memory. And this is what comes in the box. Alright, check it out. So we got our clock here, and then it actually comes with the remote control, which is really nice. I love it when it comes with the remote control. It makes it a lot easier to control things, especially if you're going to be using it for working out. And then here's the plug to plug it in. So we're going to go put it in the garage, and then we'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, one more thing I want to mention. It comes with this mounting holes thing, which makes it a lot easier to put it on the wall. Very cool that they include that. It also comes with the manual so that you can see how it works, how to set it up, which is very nice. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the bag. Okay, this is the front that's going to display the clock, and then this is the back. Alright guys, check it out. We have it all set up here. Very easy, you just plug it in the back and you could connect it to a power strip or a plug unit. Okay? And then very easy to set up. We just click the set button on the remote and you could change each thing to whatever you want it to be. So we changed the time to the correct time and the day. Very cool. This is what the remote looks like. Okay, you got an on off button, timer, stop and start, set button, alarm set, so you could set an alarm, and then you could just change up and down here with the different stuff. Very easy to use. You could change the brightness level, so you could dim it or make it brighter. The volume could go up and down if you're going to use it for an alarm or a timer. And then on the back, actually, there's this setup so that you could have it set up here. You don't have to mount it to a wall, so we just have it set up like that. And then there's also buttons in the back where you can set the stuff yourself if you don't want to use the remote. So there's a battery pack right here, and then the cord goes in here. There's a cover. You could actually even wrap up some of the cord in here because there's space, so that it's not just your cord hanging everywhere. But great, interesting timer. Very cool. Check it out. Has a lot of display settings. You could show a lot of stuff on here. Alright guys, check it out. We got the mounting holes up there, so we just left them on, make it easier to mount it. So we're gonna go ahead and put it up. And there we go. Now it's all mounted on the wall. Really easy to do, really easy to use. It also has Wi-Fi settings, so you could connect it to the Wi-Fi, and that way you could have internet on it. Check it out.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe